Hello everyone, this is Kamrun Nahar. Today is chapter 5 coordination and secretion. Okay, dear students of 8 English version, coordination and secretion lecture 2. Okay, today is at first nerve cell or neuron. What is nerve cell? The structural and functional unit of nervous system is the neuron. Okay, structural and functional. A neuron is the longest cell of the human body. Okay, so neuron is the longest cell of your body. A typical neuron is mainly divided into two parts. Okay, first one cell body and second one is processes. Processes is another two types, axon and dendrite. Dendron and then dendrite. Dendron means this portion and then dendrite. So first one is cell body. Look at this. Cell body. The cell body is the main part of the neuron. The cell body may be of different shapes. Okay, for example, round, oval, star shapes, etc. etc. The cell body is composed of cell membrane. Okay, this is cell membrane or plasma membrane, both are same. Okay, cell membrane, then cytoplasm, then nucleus, and they have no centriole. Okay, cell body has no centriole, so they cannot divide like other cells. Okay, this question is very important. Why neuron cannot divide? Okay, because of they have no centriole, so they cannot divide like other cells. Okay, then go to processes. Processes is two types. The branches, tree-like structure that extend from the cell body. Okay, extend from the cell body. This is extend from the cell body is called axon. There is usually only one axon per neuron. Okay, here one neuron and one axon. Be careful. Okay, only one axon per neuron. The end opposite the cell body of axon breaks up into many fine branches. Okay, this is many fine branches. And then go to dendron. The branches structure originated around the cell body are termed as dendron. Cell body from this is dendron. Okay, they are small, relatively wide, and breaks up into fine terminal branches called dendrite. So this is dendrite. Okay, this is the terminal branches. Okay, they conduct impulses towards the cell body. So contact with dendrite. First one dendron and then dendrite. Okay, this is the structure of a neuron. So this is the figure and description. Then go to synapse. Okay, synapse is the junction between two neurons. Okay, where axon of one neuron ends and dendrons of another neuron arise, known as synapse. Okay, two neuron junction is known as synapse. Synapse allow information to pass from one neuron to another. Okay, this is the portion of synapse. Okay, one neuron dendron and one neuron axon where junction, this is known as synapse. Okay, then go to the impulse. Okay, to carry stimuli to maintain communications between internal and external environment of the body. Okay, internal and external environment. Look at this here. Eye, ear, nose, tongue, skin. This is your 5. Okay, 5 stimuli organ. And here central nervous system. And here one neuron and another neuron. This is known as synapse, and another neuron. This is connected one, another, and then central nervous system. Okay, go to central nervous system and back this way. Okay, stimuli transmission of motor neuron fiber, and here stimuli transmission of sensory neuron fiber. Okay, first one sensory. to carry stimuli to maintain communications between internal and external environment of the body. Okay, coordinate the activities of different organ. Here are the different organ. Okay, 5 organ: eye, ear, nose, tongue and skin. Activities of different organ systems of the body. Retain memory and to think. Okay, memory and to think and pass instruction for work আর দ্য ফাংশনস অফ নিউরন। ঠিক আছে, এভাবে করে হচ্ছে কি কাজ করবে সেই অর্গানগুলো তোমাকে আগে বলে দিবে। হ্যাঁ, দেখো, দ্য ট্রান্সমিশন অফ ইম্পালস থ্রু দ্য সিনাপসেস অফ নার্ভাস সিস্টেম নিউরন। ওকে, শোন ইন দ্য ফিগার। দ্য নিউরন সিস্টেম কনসিস্ট অফ মেনলি 3 পার্ট। ফার্স্ট ওয়ান, সেন্ট্রাল নার্ভাস সিস্টেম, central nervous system, this is okay. Second one, peripheral nervous system, and third one, autonomic nervous system. Okay, so this question is another important question. Follow chart of the transmission of an impulse of the nervous system. Okay, here 2 question. First one, describe the structure of neuron. Your HW will be describe the structure of a neuron cell. Okay, this question is very very important and this question is 50% important question. Okay, that's all. Thank you.